Welcome, everyone, to Everyday Possibilities. I have a very fun tool for you today. And this is something that I actually got from another call I was on about benevolent creation. For those of you who know me, you might know that I work with the social media for a project called El Lugar, a beautiful resort in Costa Rica. And one thing that was mentioned on this call was when they're creating this business is that they're always looking for the elegant solution and not settling for just good enough. So are you settling for just good enough in your life? Or are you making a demand for something greater? When someone comes, let's say you were getting your house painted and they didn't do it quite correctly in one area, but it didn't look bad, but it was okay. But you knew it was there and you knew it could be greater. You knew it could be done correctly and the way that you wanted it to be. Would you say something or would you settle for just good enough for what they did and not say anything? Oftentimes, we don't want to make people uncomfortable with what we're choosing and what we truly like to have. So, what if you got out of the worry of other people's discomforts? And this isn't about coming from judgment, but it's a place of coming from true creation, what you see is possible and what you would like to have as your life. And there's no wrongness in that. And it's again not from a space of judging, but it's from a space of elegance and from a space of possibilities and being aware of what those possibilities are and allowing them to show up in your life. So, everywhere where you're not looking for the elegant solution, would you destroy and uncreate that, please? Right, non good and bad, pun pop, all nine fritz, boys and beyonds. And again, if you don't know the clearing statement, you can go to theclearingstatement.com and find out more information about the clearing statement. And it's interesting for me because I was looking at some places in my life where I have done that and reminding me it's not wrong to ask for something different and for something greater in your life. You know, what are you settling? Where are you settling? Are you settling in your relationship? I mean, I did that for a while, for a number of years with somebody that I was with. It wasn't fun for my body anymore. I knew that we didn't have the same choices, or we didn't really desire to create the same things. And as that relationship went on, I was able to see more and more, yet I stayed in that relationship. I was settling for what wasn't working for me. And being or that relationship, I haven't been in many what I would call relationships of this reality, relationship from many most people's points of view. But I've created some great fun and communions with people, which really works for me. And I've learned to not settle. And I see where I've been settling with some things in my life, and I am choosing to change those things and to not settle and to have the greatest life that we're meant here to live. So everywhere where you can't see the possibilities of the great life that you would like to live and have, which destroy and uncreate all that. And begin to add things to your life that bring this elegance of living. And when you would like to see something show up greater, make the demand. Have your voice about what you would like to see it as, whether it's in a relationship, someone that's doing work for you, whatever it is. And if it can still work, it still works. If not, then maybe it's time to find something different or find someone else to do whatever it is that you need done. Awesome. And so I really wanted to share that with you guys. It's such a fun thing that I've been asking more of. And even as well, if you see yourself judging yourself, this is a great question to ask because if you're judging yourself, A, how is that creating greater? And B, what are you settling for in those judgments of you? Interesting point of view. So have the most amazing day. I hope you guys enjoy this tip and use it. Look for the elegant solution in everything that comes up in your life. And when you start to look at it from the elegant possibility, the elegant solution, see what that changes for you in your creations and what shows up. So ciao for now and have the most amazing day. Bye.